In the annals of history, few stories resonate with a profound impact and enduring spirit as India's journey to independence in 1947. For centuries, the subcontinent thrived under diverse empires, but by the 18th century, the British East India Company began its gradual assertion of power. This commercial venture soon transformed into direct British Raj, imposing its rule and reshaping the social, economic, and political fabric of India. Yet, beneath the veneer of colonial control, a powerful current of resistance began to stir, fueled by a yearning for self. Early nationalist movements, though nascent, laid the groundwork for the monumental struggle that would define a nation's destiny. The early 20th century witnessed the emergence of a figure who would forever alter the course of India's freedom struggle: Mahatma Gandhi. His philosophy of satyagraha, or nonviolent resistance, offered a revolutionary path to challenge the might of the British Empire. Gandhi's call resonated deeply with millions, transforming the independence movement into a mass struggle involving ordinary citizens. The non-cooperation movement saw Indians boycott British goods, institutions, and services, demonstrating their collective resolve. This was followed by the civil disobedience movement, a direct challenge to unjust British laws, often met with severe repression. The iconic Salt March of 1930, led by Gandhi, galvanized the nation, protesting the British salt tax and symbolizing. Beyond Gandhi, other towering figures emerged, shaping the political landscape and advocating for India's future. Jawaharlal Nehru, a visionary leader, championed a secular, democratic India, becoming a key architect of its post-independence identity. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, leader of the Muslim League, advocated for the rights of Muslims and eventually for a separate homeland. These leaders, with their distinct ideologies, navigated a complex political terrain, each striving for what they believed was best for their people. The outbreak of World War II profoundly impacted the British Empire, weakening its global dominance and its grip on India. India's resources and manpower were heavily utilized in the war effort, yet promises of self-rule remained largely unfulfilled. In 1942, the Cripps mission offered limited self-governance after the war, but it failed to satisfy the demands of Indian leaders. This led to Gandhi's powerful call for the Quit India movement, demanding an immediate end to British rule. The movement saw widespread protests, strikes, and acts of civil disobedience across the country. The British responded with severe oppression, arresting thousands of leaders, including Gandhi and Nehru. Despite the arrests, the spirit of resistance remained unbroken, further solidifying the demand for complete independence. As World War II concluded, Britain emerged victorious, but economically exhausted, its empire unsustainable. The political landscape in India was also shifting dramatically, with the demand for a separate Muslim state gaining momentum. The Muslim League, under Muhammad Ali Jinnah, argued that Muslims constituted a separate nation and required their own homeland. This vision clashed with the Indian National Congress's ideal of a united, secular India, leading to increasing communal tensions. In 1947, Lord Mountbatten was appointed the last Viceroy of India, tasked with overseeing the transfer of power. Mountbatten quickly concluded that partition was the only viable solution to the escalating communal violence and political deadlock. The Redcliffe Line, hastily drawn, divided the subcontinent into India and Pakistan, creating two independent nations. T.S. decision, while granting independence, unleashed unprecedented chaos and human suffering. Millions were displaced, forced to abandon their homes and livelihoods, leading to one of the largest mass migrations in history. Communal violence erupted on a horrific scale, claiming hundreds of thousands of lives and leaving an indelible scar on the newly formed nations. Despite the turmoil, the dawn of August 15, 1947, marked a moment of profound triumph and liberation for India. At midnight, Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his iconic Tryst with Destiny speech, proclaiming India's freedom to the world. Across the nation, joyous celebrations erupted as millions hoisted the Indian flag, embracing their newfound sovereignty. The tricolor flag, symbol of unity and sacrifice, flew high, marking the end of nearly 2 centuries of colonial rule. Yet, amidst the jubilation, the pain of partition lingered, as families were torn apart and communities fractured. The immediate aftermath of independence brought immense challenges for both India and Pakistan. Rehabilitation of refugees, integration of princely states, and establishing stable governance were monumental tasks. Despite these hurdles, India embarked on its journey as the world's largest democracy, committed to secularism and development. The legacy of India's independence movement extends far beyond its borders, inspiring countless nations in their own struggles for freedom. It stands as a testament to the power of nonviolent resistance, the resilience of a people, and the enduring human spirit. India's independence in 1947 remains a pivotal moment, a story of sacrifice, struggle, and the birth of a nation.